Zeemo AI review. Let's get started. Zeemo is a browser-based or also mobile AI video tool that automates captioning, subtitling, translation, dynamic text effects, and even faces video generation with music and voiceovers. So what it does well is it focuses on high accuracy and multilingual support. It also has some code-based production, and it has a dynamic social media caption, where the caption templates are very flashy, using styles from Mr. Beast, stickers, emojis, which boost engagement on TikTok and Instagram. It also has cross-platform workflow, where it runs on web and mobile, supports the video resizing and the batch uploads, and it exports up to 4K resolution on paid tiers. However, there are some areas to watch, like the free tier limitations are only 3 videos per month, and it also has a 1 minute max, and there are watermark on exports, which may frustrate casual users. The pricing can also feel steep, so Pro plan begins at approximately $6.67 per month, and it's not really affordable for some people. And they also reported bugs and issues on the support, so fewer users reported loading errors and missing video slots mid-session. So in conclusion, it may be a legit platform. It delivers powerful automatic captioning and stylish enhancements which are ideal for content creators, educators, and marketers.